Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss how to develop chart with secondary axis. We have a data for revenue, gross profit, operational expenses, the three component of data, and other side January, February, March, April, and May, June, the 6 month data. Amounts is in million. Here I'm going to develop this chart. First, we want to select data. We have revenue, gross profit, and operational expenses over the 6 month period of time. How will that change? Then first we want to select the data and go to insert and then go to chart and then insert 2D column chart. We will take 2D column chart. The chart is looks like this. In chart we have three different kind of colors bar. January month, February, March, April, May, and June. Here I'm going to use gross profit and operational expenses as a secondary axis. For that, first I will select gross profit and then right click and change series chart type. When you change series chart type, you can see this table, and from this table we can select axis type, chart type, and axis. The chart type I'm selecting with drop down menu. Here I will select line with markers. Select that and then tick secondary axis. Once tick secondary axis, it is appearing here in right hand side. Secondly, I am selecting here operational expense, drop down, and then line marks, and secondary axis. Select secondary axis. Then OK. See now chart you can looks like here. You can see looks like here chart. Now here one more thing I'm going to add. I'm going to add data table to chart to visualize more detail here. Data inside plus mark. From the plus mark you can add data table. And when you go to data table, you can see arrow. From the arrow you can select three kind of data table you can add into chart. Here with legend keys, no legend keys, more option. Here I will use no legend keys and select, then okay. You can see the chart with the table, data table. I will change this chart type, the company name, ABC company, ABC company. And also one more thing I will add, I will fill this color, I will fill the color chart to visualize gradient fill. Yeah, now chart looks like this. And also you can add border. I will add black color. Yeah. Now you can see represent your data, revenue, gross profit, and operation as well. While revenue increases, while revenue expand during the January to June period of time, and you can see you can present your data gross profit. How is that gross profit change? How that operational expenses are change? I hope this video is helpful for you.